In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Canva, updated for 2025. Whether you're creating a presentation, crafting a social media post, or putting together a graphic for your website, adding a blur effect can help draw attention to specific elements or create a stylish background. So let's dive right in and learn how to do it step by step. To get started, open Canva and select the image you wish to blur within your design. You'll want to click on the image to ensure it's selected, which will allow us to access further editing options. Once your image is selected, look for the edit option, usually located at the top of your Canva workspace. Click on it to open up a range of editing tools specifically designed to help you fine-tune your image. Among the menu options that appear, you should see one labeled Blur. Click on this to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a couple of choices, either apply a general blur effect or use the blur tool. For our tutorial, we will focus on using the brush to blur specific areas. This technique gives you more control over which parts of the image are blurred and allows you to maintain clarity in the areas you want to stand out. Once you've selected the blur brush, simply brush over the parts of the image you wish to blur. This intuitive tool works a lot like a paintbrush, allowing you to apply the blur effect with greater precision. You can continue to brush over different areas, adjusting the intensity if needed, until you achieve your desired effect. Remember, the goal is to draw attention to the unblurred parts of your image, so be mindful of what you're blurring out. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully blurred parts of your image, giving it a professional and polished look. Keep in mind that practice makes perfect, and experimenting with different levels and applications of blur can yield creative results suitable for various types of projects. As a final tip, always take a moment to zoom out and view your entire design. This will ensure that the blurred sections blend harmoniously with the other elements in your work. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can save your design and share it across your chosen platforms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now feeling confident in utilizing Canva's blur tool for your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful design tips and tricks. Happy designing!